Hi everyone, welcome to Beautiful Within. My Lady Raga bag has arrived for the month of August. It's the August Allegiance edition. So this is the bag, beautiful mauve colored bag. Has a front clasp for I guess your comb or certain things which are thin. And this is the main compartment where you can keep your makeup and stuff. Now it has a little bit of checkered design and a little bit of quilt here, but it is waterproof, so it's really good for keeping your makeup, daily makeup pouch. Coming to the products now, the first thing that I have here is the PEP Detox Face Wash with neem and aloe vera. Now this is cruelty free, paraben free and not tested on animals. For oily skin, of course. In the ingredients it has salicylic acid, which is very good for reducing pimples and pimple marks. Salicylic acid is the ingredient which most of the dermatologists also suggest if you have to reduce pimple or acne. So this is a basic face wash. I'll definitely give it a try, because as I have oily skin, this would be helpful. PEP face wash is for 120 bucks for 50 ml. That's a 50 ml sample. The second thing is the Susegar, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, the Susegar Soul Upton Vedic recipe with crystal therapy, which is 650 bucks for 150 grams. This is the kind of test tube like with a cork packaging. Now as you can see, it is powdery in its consistency. One thing that I want to tell you about any powdery face mask, face packs, anything organic, any organic skincare product or makeup product which is powdery, please keep them away from your vanity or from your vanity closet. Keep them in the fridge, because I have myself encountered very good brand developing some kind of worms or some worms entering in the packaging of the product if it is powdery organic. So I think I would keep this also in the fridge, because otherwise there's a high risk that worms might enter. The third thing that we have is the zero sugar, 100% natural zero sugar, which is 250 bucks for 250 grams. These are 3 gram samples, so it has 3 samples. They say that it does not contain aspartame, sucralose and saccharin, and it is a zero sugar sweetener. So I do not use artificial sweeteners. Actually, I don't use much sugar only. I drink my tea without sugar, tea or coffee without sugar. So I think I'll give this to someone who might use it, who might put it to good use. The nth thing, I guess it's the fourth thing, are these pearl anklets, as they call it. These are for 550 bucks. Now I've never seen, frankly, somebody wearing pearl anklets. This is the first time that I've heard. But this thing can be actually put to many uses. This can be used, of course, as a bracelet or an armlet. Definitely as a choker if you put some chain to it. Also, if you interconnect these two, like this has a fish hook kind of a clasp. So if you interconnect these two chains, I'll try to interconnect. This can serve as a belt also if you add a chain to it. Or one more thing that you can add it as a matha patti, you can put it here and you can add some charm here. Maybe you'll have to do something with the chain, but this chain is easily removable. So these are, I guess, 4 or 5 uses that you can put these anklets to good use. They are very well sewn, very well woven. Pearls are also good quality. So I like this piece. The fifth piece, I guess, is the necklace which they've got, excuse me, with a chain. Now this is for 350 bucks. This is the kind of chain. This comes way below, almost till my waist, and this is the kind of caged crystal kind of a feeling that they have. I have similar kind of crystal tops, so I guess my set would be complete. I like it. I really like it. Never seen something like this though, so I really like it. And my surprise gift, which I've already opened, is the Bella Pear Cosmetics eyeshadow in the shade 43, which is Vesek shade. Hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I'll just give you a swatch of it. This is the kind of powdery eyeshadow that it has. Very silver grey kind of a color. I'll just give you a swatch. This is the swatch. Very silvery grey kind of a color. I don't have this color, so thankfully I've got this. Lady Raga is a monthly beauty and lifestyle subscription service. I don't know what I'm talking. It retails for 616 rupees for a month. If you subscribe for higher duration, you get discounts. I'll link down their site below so that you can check them out for themselves. I really loved this month's Lady Raga bag. Totally go for it. And after a very long time, I guess I'm saying it, last month the Lady Raga arrived pretty late. Arrived on 25th of the month, so I could not shoot a review. This time it has arrived on time. Hope you liked my review and hope you would like the Lady Raga bag also. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.